How to make great sandwiches. Subscribe for more videos. With all these ads about fast foods and the growing health problems facing people regarding eating these, the humble sandwich is something that should be re-looked at, as it provides a healthy and tasty way to eat for both kids and adults. When it comes to food, the sandwich is king. Sandwiches can be made into something really tasty and interesting and come in all sorts of different types, shapes and tastes, which can be easily made at home. The key to a good sandwich falls into a few areas. A good sandwich can be made with fresh bread, fresh salad and a filling which is accompanied by some form of condiments to give it that extra taste. Previously, I have found that even a basic chicken breast can be used as a great sandwich filling with the addition of a bit of salad, which makes a wonderful, tasty sandwich and will make your colleagues wonder what you're eating as you eat your yummy sandwich. Making sandwiches at home allows the children to participate and provides them the basic grounding in the art of cooking at home, something which most of us have unfortunately forgotten. To conclude, the sandwich is a yummy, versatile food which isn't given its due, especially now, where time, cost, money and health are important for everyone. Sandwiches can be a great alternative to complete meals and kids love them. With a little bit of thought and ingenuity, your sandwiches can take a new lease of life. Here's to great tasting sandwiches. Do not forget to subscribe.